Court order shields Garcia contempt charge has no basis. Here's a concise legal breakdown of why Governor Gwen Garcia's camp argues there is no legal basis to cite her for indirect contempt. Background of the suspension and show cause order. On April 23, 2025, the Office of the Ombudsman issued a 6-month preventive suspension order against Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia for allegedly granting construction permits without required DENR clearance. Despite receipt of the suspension on April 29, Governor Garcia remained in office and publicly refused to step down. In response, Ombudsman Samuel Martires issued her a show cause order dated May 19, 2025, directing her to explain within 5 days why she should not be cited for indirect contempt for defying the suspension. TRO from the Court of Appeals Halts enforcement. On May 15, 2025, the Court of Appeals Special 17th Division granted Governor Garcia a temporary restraining order, TRO, halting enforcement of the Ombudsman's suspension. Under Philippine procedural law, once a valid TRO is in place, the suspended order cannot be enforced until further resolution of the underlying case. Any defiance occurring after that point is legally shielded by the injunction. Why there is no legal basis for indirect contempt. No active order to defy. Indirect contempt for defiance requires that there be a lawful, presently enforceable order. The TRO effectively stayed the suspension's executory effect, so there was no order left to disobey. Right to exhaust remedies. Like any citizen, Governor Garcia may challenge the suspension's legality through judicial remedies. Securing a TRO is precisely such a legal remedy, not an act of contempt. Procedural safeguards. Contempt proceedings in the Philippines demand strict compliance with notice requirements and proof that the contemnor willfully refused a valid order. Here, the show cause order itself admits the TRO, undermining any claim of willful defiance. Stay curious, stay connected. Subscribe now for fresh news updates.